The current price of 10 grams of gold costs approximately 50,000 rupees. Can you even imagine an entire city or even a temple being made of gold? A pure 24 karat gold.
In the next 4 unknown facts, you may get the answer. Padmanabha Swami Temple is one of the most popular shrines in India. It is a Hindu temple of Lord Vishnu located in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital of Kerala. Built in the 16th century by a Travancore king. It is believed that both the temple and the entire city were made of gold and the temple as heaven. The temple is built in an intricate fusion of Chera style and a Dravidian style featuring high walls and a gopuram. Gopuram is a monumental entrance tower of a temple, which was later addition to the main temple, which itself is 1,000 years old, built in 16th century. It has 7 floors, which have a window-like opening on the center of each floor on its opposite side. The exact 2 days of the equinox, one gets to see the setting sun aligned and passing exactly through each of the windows in roughly 5-minute intervals. Equinoxes are the 2 days of the year when the day and night are of approximately equal duration. On these days, the sun rises exactly east and sets exactly west. The equinoxes corresponds to the 2 points where the projection of the Earth's equator on the sky intercepts the projection of the Earth's orbit around the sun. The 2 equinoxes occur on a dates close to March 21st and September 23rd of every year. In June 2011, a committee of 7 members were formed to open the secret underground chambers of the temple for inspection. The temple has 6 vaults till now, which have been named A, B, C, D, E and F, of which all the vaults have been opened except Vault B. Vault B has an intricate steel door which has 2 big cobra portraits. On addition, the door has no nuts, bolts or any other latches. Several attempts have been made. What if we try to open it?
कैंसिल करो भाई साहब, अभी के अभी कैंसिल करो, नहीं खुलेगा दरवाजा.
Okay.
It is believed that any attempt made with the modern technology to open the door will unleash catastrophes across the state and in Kerala. These open vaults contain enormous amount of gold, jewelry, idols encrusted with diamonds, rubies, sapphires and other precious stones. It contained golden coins from various European countries, especially from Rome, which resembles flourished trade between ancient nations. If we combine all these precious items, the value could easily reach 22 billion US dollars. Yes, 22 billion US dollars, which corresponds into 1 lakh crore rupees.
हिसाब बराबर याद रखते हो.
All this wealth would easily place me in the list of billionaires.
Okay.
Which is already greater than net worth of some nations. Even I could buy 6 world's most expensive home, 1,000 luxurious cars and 2 luxurious yachts.
I'm rich! I'm rich!
But besides all this wealth, It remains as a remarkable example of intricate and exquisite architecture and faith of people in Hindu Dharma.